Welcome back to the Comedy Commode, guys, and we are back with another review. Welcome back to the Comedy Commode, guys, and I hope you like that intro. And we are back with another Wish.com product review. And this right here is Wish.com DSLR camera, 16 megapixels right here, and it's got a 16 times digital zoom. And I was curious, you know, when I saw it on there, I was like, how good could this camera really be for $24, and I had to pay $20 shipping for this camera. So you're looking around $40 for a DSLR camera. 1080p, it's supposed to be 1080p, shoots 720 and all that stuff like that. And I've tested it a little bit, but I want you guys to really be the judge of this. And but I'm gonna compare this to my Canon T6i with a kit lens on it. With a kit lens, don't want to get too crazy. Compare it to this, do a little photography, B-roll, and I'm gonna let you decide. So here it is. See that? I mean, it just really just doesn't have the quality of a new age camera. You might as well use your cell phone. And it's supposed to have a lot of the functions that your regular DSLRs and other cameras would have. And I found out that a lot of them, it does say that it has them on here, but I mean, I feel like there's no difference in any of it. I feel like it's just a set base camera. You get what you get. I mean, that's it. I think just a lot of this stuff is just for a just for show, I guess I would say. It says resolution, you know, 16 megapixels, and I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Let me see if I can get in here and get some zoom on this. Right there we go. So we have this here, and it says 16 megapixels, 12, 5, and 3. And so if you go back and you got your photo, your quality, it has super fine, let's say super fine, fine, and normal on it. And I found that they don't really do anything. I've changed them multiple times. And then you got your exposure. It doesn't do anything. I mean, really, you can turn it up, all this other things, and it just doesn't really do anything. Well, maybe it's just me, but I found that it really doesn't do anything. And you can go all the way up to the top, and you can go to your tools, your time setting, auto power off, your screensaver, sounds, language, and stuff like that. But that's basically all you have. Then you got your zoom. I have no card in here at the moment, but you got your zoom like any other camera would have, and we can zoom it in. Just a click button here. Then you can zoom out. But like I said, a lot of these functions that are on these camera don't really do anything. I think it's just, it is what it is. And you're definitely not going to get a great quality out of this camera right here. You know what I mean? The cell phones are so good now. They're almost competing with your top of the line Canon, Sony, Nikon, your Fuji. There's no reason to buy something like this. I mean, this right here, the only thing this is really, to me, is good for is to set in the background just as a display piece. I really wouldn't pay. I wouldn't pay for it again. I don't think anybody would. After you've seen that footage, I mean, it's just grainy. There's no quality to it at all, and I would say it's a, yeah, I would say it's a waste of money. But unless you really want something that's just going to sit on your shelf and collect dust and just kind of look cool, kind of look like a camera. But I wouldn't recommend it, guys. And there is some other cameras, which does have a whole lot of other cameras that I do want to try that are a little bit more expensive. I was just, you know, I'm just curious. I just want to see the quality you can get from a cheaper camera like that. And this one was the cheapest one they had, and I got it, and definitely wasn't worth it. But thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. Tell your friends. Hit that bell. And thanks for watching, guys. And this is the Comedy Commode. Boom!